how you can use Perplexity and Comet in order to scrape data to get potential leads and clients for your business, and it's super easy. So if let's say you guys seeing I'm actually at my Comet right now, so I'm just going to pause for a while because right now it's actually working. I just want to give you guys an idea. So the idea is this: maybe you are serving like plumber, maybe you are serving like a specific industry, like maybe lawyers, accountants, and you want to be able to reach out to all these lawyers and accountants, right? And you need their emails and phone numbers. How you can do that? So your best place is actually at the Google Map. So go over to the Google Map. Just go over, let's assume that I want to look for a plumber in Dallas, Texas. You just key in the location information. And after that, I want to show you guys, this is my prompt. So my prompt is pretty easy. You just click this, in Comet, you can click this assistant. When you click this assistant, what it's going to do is that Comet is going to bring up like your AI assistant and AI agent to work for you. So this is my instruction. Scrap all company name, email, and contact details of plumber in Texas and help me to update to the Google Sheet. Do you have any questions? So I always end with my instruction with the questions so that they can keep asking me. Because after multiple experiences using like Comet, I realized that if let's say I do not ask that, they will keep on like pausing the task while they are on it. So that's why asking this question is pretty important. They will actually ask you the question. They asked me about scope. Initially I just said about in Texas, but then they asked me how many do I want it, and then do I have like a very specific area they want to focus in it. And they also asked me whether I have a brand new Google Sheet. So that's where I actually kind of like answer them. Okay, last very important, they asked me if they couldn't find the email addresses in the Google Map, do they need to visit the website and get it? So my answer is pretty straightforward. I tell them that yes, please include all business and visit the website in order to find the emails. So these are my instructions. So I just pretty much run it. So what it essentially does is that they actually scrap all the information for me, but you will see that the email is still not yet available. Okay, there's a special reason for it, because just now I paused the assistant to continue it, because what they are doing is that they list down the website and then they are required to visit each website and then drag all the email addresses for me. So isn't it very awesome? Like you can just pay for Perplexity Pro and you have this Comet to run it for you. And of course, there are other methods to do that as well. You can also use the N. I have problem pronouncing that. N to do that as well. So it depends on how you want to use it. I have my Perplexity Pro. I'm absolutely loving it. So if let's say you guys wanted to know how I'm using my Perplexity Pro, you can check out all of my other tutorials and also my YouTube playlist, including the Perplexity as well as Comet as well. So if let's say you absolutely love this video, you please comment down below and to like this video so that YouTube will suggest this video to even more people. And also, I also sell softwares that help you in terms of the automation, in terms of lead generations in social media, especially Facebook. So if let's say you're interested in knowing what kind of software that I sell, you can visit, this is my website here, junlo.net/all software. So I have software to help you to kind of like unfriend inactive Facebook friends in bulk. Okay, I have also different software in organizing your Facebook profile contact list so that you're able to, if let's say you're using like organic marketing for Facebook, you want to be able to organize your friend list accordingly. And then I also sell the software as well. And if let's say you're managing like Facebook groups and you want to have a very structured way in order to approve your members and to store their contact information and the answers they put in when they join your group, I have that as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.